Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to me. Happy Mother's Day to all of us. Happy Mother's Day to us. Yan. I have to first feed my mom because she was born before me. Yani, what about me?
So this is a coconut sugar one.
No. Where is the milky power?
It's yum. It's really yum.
Yum.
So Raj,
Thank you guys. Mama, you're on record. Say hi.
Hi, happy Mother's Day to everyone watching this. Mwah.
करीना, बहुत सारे जो स्टार्स होते हैं वो नहीं चाहते कि उनके न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज़ जो हैं बहुत जल्दी मीडिया के सामने आए, बट तैमूर को देखकर और आपको देख के ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि आप लोग बहुत यू पीपल आर वेरी ओके विद दैट. सो इज देयर एनी स्पेशल रीजन फॉर दैट?
आई थिंक दैट आई मीन अभी कल्चर बहुत बदल गया है. आई थिंक जहाँ जाओ एवरीबडी इज़ क्वाइट ओपन, एवरीबडी इज़ getting photographed, everybody is if you go out also or to the gym, anywhere you're getting photographed, and he's as normal. Taimur is as normal as anybody else, so why should he be treated that he's not normal? His parents are normal, I mean his friends will be normal, so we want to, and it's fine, it's absolutely okay, it's his journey, it's his life. And apart from that, I think he is probably the most amazing and cutest child ever, so it's fine.
Kareena, what motivated you to you joined this Swasth Immunized India campaign?
So, of course, I have to say that since the birth of Taimur, I've always said that my life is actually in his hands because he is my life. So, the most important thing I think a mother wants is the safety of her child, the well-being of her child. I think we all know that as a family, when you know that somebody falls sick, especially when a newborn or a child falls sick, I think the impact it's even worse than I think when an elder falls sick. I think there's just that thing. So when I was being a mother today and Taimur being, on his vaccination journey, when I realized and I did a lot of research, I kind of educated myself about these vaccinations, I realized that if there's a chance that we can help our child from actually combating infections and fatal diseases, why not help everyone, like it says, on the length and breadth of India? I think there would be that connect, I'm sure. Every young mother, every parent will have that connect with me because it's something that I'm experiencing right now. I mean, for a second also, I mean, if I think that, there is something that I can protect my son from, why not do it?
There's also a lot of chatter about the obsession with star kids. We see the whole paparazzi culture up on the rise. We have, of course, celebrities who put out the pictures of their sons or daughters. You have really shied away from it. Yeah, I mean, is it a very conscious thought that you don't want pictures of your kids to be out, daughter to be out?
No, I think it's a decision taken together by my husband and me. I think my husband, being a very private person, I think his point of view towards the thing is that he wants Adira to have a very normal upbringing, and seeing the circumstances around us, because we are parents who are slightly known in that sense. There will always be a sense of intrigue as to what our child is, how our child is, who our child is. So they will get a kind of extra attention that probably they don't really deserve. Because when you go to school and when you take your children to school, you are hoping that your child is going to be treated equally like the other kids. You don't want the extra privileges or extra importance to be given to your child because you want your child to grow up to be a normal person. But if you have that added attention to your life, if my daughter feels that, oh, I'm slightly different than the others, something could stem up with that. So what we're trying to give our daughter is probably if she's on the beach with her friends, she goes completely unnoticed. If she's wanting to go to the movie theater or she's wanting to go to the park, she goes unnoticed without anybody over there looking at her and saying that, oh, she is so-and-so's daughter. So we are trying our level best if we can achieve that. Of course, it is difficult because we do have the culture where our fans and our well-wishers want to see how my child looks. What is she wearing? Is she healthy? Is she not healthy? Does she have curly hair? Does she have straight hair? Does she have my eyes? Does she does not have my eyes? So yes, these are questions which are going to be repetitively asked, and there will be an intrigue somewhere. But as parents, I think it's our duty to do what we think is best for our child. So this is what we think is best for our child, and we are hoping that it's going to remain like that.
Will stop me after that. But I love being at home. I love being a mother to my child. I wouldn't have it any other way. I wouldn't want to spend 1 hour a day with my child and rush off to work. Why did I have her? She's not a puppy, you know. I mean, I want to be there for her as a mother. I wouldn't. Seeing her grow up cannot be quantified.
Who is the most important, the most powerful, the most inspiring woman in my life? And I couldn't think of anybody but my mother. And you know, us boys, we have a problem. We don't thank our mothers enough. I don't think I've thanked her enough for all that she has done for me, for all the times when I have needed someone and she's been right there. She's the strongest woman I know. She's one of the most independent women I know. She's very, very understanding. And she's the pillar of strength for both me and Ishan, both her sons. I don't think either of us would be wherever we are at in life if we didn't have her as our mother. Whatever you want to say, Mom, just a few words. I think tonight is more about you talking about what you feel than me. I mean, I'm just here standing by your side. We are them tonight. It's all about you.
Without them, I wouldn't be the mother I am. My 2 beautiful sons. I think we do what we do. We dream, we live, and we empower ourselves with what we believe in. But to be a satisfied, happy, enriched mother is a huge part of me. And I have 2 wonderful sons. Shahid is a gentleman. Shahid is very good at heart and soul. So I'm very, very proud. Ishan has made me very proud too. He's a wonderful boy. So all you ladies, motherhood is a part of being feminine. It's beautiful and it's empowering. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I wish all the mothers a very, very happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to wish your own mothers. Of course, me being a mother feels this, but pick up the phone, wish your mother, give her a tight hug, because that's what I am expecting and waiting from my son.